This is DCA guard, author of the non-event principle. Please buy it on Amazon. In my quest to produce fire hot enough to bend some steel back into shape on the farm here, or possibly melt aluminum, I tried to dig a furnace hole, and I know what I did wrong. You got to use coal, not just any old hot coals from a fire pit. You know, charcoal briquets will work too because of the weight. You'll see why. Okay, took hot coals from the fire, threw them in my little fence post hole. Electric blower hooked up. Let's see what it does. Fail. Yes, I do. I'm using it. Ah, look what I did by accident.